By 2030, bullish Star Atlas book price predictions run from 1 cent to 2 cents. By 2025, market examiners other than Atlas Book could hit 1 cent bearish. The Star Atlas Book's market price prediction for 2023 is $0. A book about the star map, the latest web craze, NFTs, is meant to have an effect on the gaming area. This cutting-edge new technology could change the way online games are played. By combining NFTs with the game business and the possibility of the metaverse, you can see a change in the way the specialized market works. Star Atlas Book is an activity that is getting ready for the next wave of computer games. Star Map Book is setting up a double symbolic economy for virtual games in the far future. In Star Atlas Book, players explore the vast emptiness of space to find valuable NFT-based jewels. It creates a metaverse experience by combining blockchain elements with NFT in-game items and design improvements. What is a book of Star Atlas? Star Atlas Book is the name of a network-based space-themed multiplayer game called Metaverse, built on a network. According to the game's white paper, players can work together to plan and fight their way into a deserted landscape. In August 2021, Star Map Book will start its first coin-making campaign. It will focus on in-game resources based on the idea of non-fungible currencies, allowing users to keep track of and make money from their unique resources. Every part of Star Map Book is an NFT that has been added to the blockchain. The Star Atlas is the most important of these. The game's world is very big, and players should try to outsmart other players in the metaverse by going on dangerous, friendless adventures full of different risks. Star Atlas Book is a game where players can connect with each other and build huge urban communities and private ventures or get together to form separate, decentralized groups to run in certain areas. While playing, players get virtual items that can be sold for real money. The Star Map Book accepts decentralization instead of most centralized gaming stages that put limits on reselling and full responsibility for game things. The NFT-enabled items in the game will belong to the players, who can choose to sell them on extra NFT commercial sites. Star Map Games, a unique look into specialized examination, or TAL for short, is the study of resources using specialized pointers to check the Star Atlas Book cost estimates and other factors. It is a way to look at the market using specially made gadgets called pointers. Financial backers and dealers can use this method to find good exchange or money management chances. Usually, specialized research is based on verifiable data about a source, such as cost level, that shows patterns that can be used to predict what is likely to happen. Specialist examination is the use of specialist markers to look at resources. It is a way to break down the market using indicators made just for that purpose. Investors and traders use this method to find chances to make investments or trade, depending on the situation. Sometimes, specialized research is based on facts that can be checked, like the cost or amount of a resource. This helps find patterns that can be used to predict what is likely to happen. Star Atlas Book, important inquiry. Investors use this method to find out how much a coin is really worth. The main goal is to look at a lot of the coin's inner and outer parts to figure out if the price is too high or too low. Investors use this knowledge to decide whether or not to give money. Ventures, before exchanging digital money, one thing that needs to be done is an important examination. The investor can get a sense of what cash control and speculative movement will mean for cryptographic money and how to keep going from a primary investigation. Specialized study isn't as important at this point, which needs more thought-out research and experience than formal tutoring. Right now, the Star Atlas Book is worth nothing. Atlas Book has changed 0.64% so far, and there have been 864,831 trades. Star Atlas Book is currently ranked 542 among all digital currencies and has a market cap of $28,830,513 US. Using the total strength record and the weighted normal Williams's fractals and regular movement union difference from the above outline, we can decide whether it's going to be a good or bad year by looking at the cost designs for the Star Atlas book. Our cost expectation numbers use constant Star Map book. All market information and all other information on our site is updated in real time. This lets us give changing cost assumptions based on how the market is moving right now. Star Map. From some points of view, the worth of a book is one of the most surprising digital forms of money to rise this year. The MacBook price estimate for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly to $0. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be slow, but there won't be any big drops. The average drop is $0. The price is very high, but it will be possible sooner rather than later if everything goes as planned. The value of an Atlas book should start at $0. Every 2024 Star Map book Atlas book cost estimate has a lot of room for growth because of the expected. With all the announcements of new groups and projects, we think that the price of a map book will soon be more than $0. Still, we should wait to put down any bullish signals until the Atlas book's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone. Taking the market unpredictability map book into account, bets will trade with a base exchange price of $0 and an average exchange price of $0. Star Map book value prediction for 2025. If the vertical pattern stays the same until 2025, it could hit 1 cent. An Atlas book could benefit if the market goes down. The goal might not be reached. Atlas book is supposed to trade for an average price of $0 and a low price of $0. Expected value of the Star Map book in 2025-2026, if the Star Map book supports market opinion among digital currency fans. The price of an Atlas book coin could stay the same for the next 5 years, according to our predictions. The map book is expected to be green in 2026, when it is expected to reach and beat its all-time high. In 2026, the value of virtual money will be 1 cent, with a starting price of 1 cent and an average price of 1 cent. Star Map. After a lot of guanjing and specialized research, we think that the price of a math book will reach a normal value of 1 cent by 2027, with a base price of 1 cent expected before the end of the year. The price of an Atlas book is also expected to reach a normal value of 1 cent. Star Map book value forecast for 2028. Based on things that are supposed to happen by 2028, we think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around 1 cent. If MacBook manages to break the safe level